So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first I thought it was just another fad, but then I started noticing that doctors were talking about it too. Not just any doctors, but the kind who are always on the cutting edge of wellness and nutrition. They were discussing the gelatin trick in their podcasts, on social media, and even in their books. I was curious, so I dug deeper and found out that the gelatin trick is actually a simple daily ritual that involves, you guessed it, gelatin. It seems that the gelatin trick works by helping to support the health of our digestive system, which in turn can help with all sorts of things, from bloating to energy levels. I've started trying it out, and I have to say, I'm intrigued. The gelatin trick is easy to incorporate into my daily routine, and I'm excited to see where it takes me. Researchers say that the gelatin trick can be a game changer for people who struggle with digestive issues, and I'm eager to learn more. If you want to learn more about the gelatin trick and how to get started, check out the link in my description below for a detailed rundown. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment, where I'll be answering some of the most frequently asked questions about the gelatin trick.